Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix fingerprint sensor not working on your Motorola Razr 70 Ultra 5G. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and clean the fingerprint sensor with a soft cloth. So the fingerprint sensor is not built into the screen here. We all know that it's right here on the side where the power button is. So it's on the power button. We want to clean it with a soft cloth or a microfiber cloth. So once it is cleaned, what we want to do is we want to go over and re-register it in the settings. So we're going into settings and we need to swipe down until we see security and privacy. Now we click on the device unlock and click on face and fingerprint unlock. Here we enter the pattern and confirm that it's us. We click on the fingerprint and here we simply delete it. So the one that is not working, we're going to press on the trash icon, click delete, and now we're going to click on setup needed, click setup, and we need to locate the fingerprint sensor. So I'm going to place my phone like this. Now of course all we need to do is whenever we feel a vibration we need to let go, and as you guys can see, all we really need to do is just click our fingerprint. So sometimes it will be recognized, sometimes it won't, but as you guys can see, our fingerprint is now fully set up. And what are we going to do is we're going to press done, and now we're simply going to remove our screen protector if it's causing interference. So if you don't have your original one that was pre-applied, then you should definitely remove the third-party one, since if it's too thick it won't be compatible. And what are we going to do as a last resort is update our software to fix any sensor glitches. So of course we're going into settings, and now what are we going to do is we're going to go over and scroll down until we see system updates. We're going to tap on check for updates and it will check for updates automatically. So I am on the latest version, but if you guys are not, then I recommend you updating. This is very important to keep up with the latest version. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.